What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here. Today we're going to be working on my CBR600 F4i track bike. Today we're going to be installing this BMC air filter. I've heard that these are pretty good, comparable to K&N, and we're going to see how it does. Guys, right before the video gets started, please like and subscribe. If you like the content that I put together and you like seeing my bikes and all my how-to videos, it really helps the channel grow and I appreciate it. Alright everybody, this is going to be a step-by-step video, so here are the tools you're going to need. While removing these trim pieces, be careful not to break off the tab. Ask me how I know. For the airbox, there will be about 9 Phillips head screws and 1 sensor that you need to remove to access the air filter. Pro tip, this process is way easier when the tank is empty. Oh wow, there was a rock inside my intake. That's hilarious. That's why we have filters. That's actually a really nice filter. I think I'm gonna keep that one and put it on my street bike. All right, so here is the BMC air filter. Now, if I look on the side, I can see a product number, FM19409 Race. Let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside. Now, the box looks pretty nice in terms of the design. It seems a little bit worn. I bet it's been in somebody's warehouse for a while. I did have to call around to a few different places to see if anybody had one of these. I'm not sure if it's going to be easy to find one of these air filters, but let's see what we got here. Overall, the air filter looks clean, still sealed in its package. That's awesome. So it looks like this is pre-oiled, so that's awesome. We won't have to oil this ourselves. Oh, look at that. Comes with a certificate of authenticity. That's how you know a company takes itself seriously. Comes with some really nice stickers that you can put on your bike. That way you can rep. And this is a lifetime air filter, so that does indicate that we can wash and reuse it, so that's fantastic. Installation guideline in multiple languages. Listen to this. Special BMC air filters such as CDA, DIA, direct aspiration conic filters, and VAS are only manufactured to be used for racing purposes on a track. That's exactly what we got here today. For my English viewers, you can take a look at that. All right, let's go ahead and get this into the bike. When installing the air filter, make sure you have put it in the correct orientation. The tab on the bottom should be on the rider's right-hand side. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. This has been an install of a BMC race filter on my CBR600 F4i track bike. Hopefully you've been able to get something out of this. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.